friend. Let's explore. Open the book. Pets. Touch the pets to learn how they move. Animals. Touch the animals to learn about their colors. This cat climbs. This rabbit jumps. This pony gallops. Roar! Ooh, this fish is swimming. This guinea pig walks. Our class pet is a guinea pig. This bird flies. This hen walks. This dog is walking. This giraffe is... Words. Touch a picture. Cat. Rabbit. Pony. Fish. Guinea pig. Bird. Hen. Dog. Fun sounds. Touch the pictures to hear fun sounds. Roar! Ooh, this fish is swimming. Pets, animals.
My name is Monkey. Look at me swing.
Fun facts. Touch a picture to learn something new. This penguin is black and white.
I have a friend who is a penguin.
This bear is brown. Elephant.
Ooh, I love elephants.
Monkey is brown.
My name is Monkey. Look at me swing.
This lion is brown. This panda is black and white. This hippopotamus is grey. This giraffe is orange and brown. Words. Touch a picture. Penguin. Bear. Elephant. Monkey. Lion. Panda. Hippopotamus. Giraffe.